Importing customers from QuickBooks into Prophesy. This video assumes you have completed the first-time connection to QuickBooks. First, make sure that QuickBooks is opened in single-user mode and that you've logged in as the administrator. In the Dispatch program, open the Accounting menu and choose Run QuickBooks Export. Select the company in QuickBooks you'd like to connect to. Click the QB Imports button, choose the Customers option, and click Show List. Choose the customers individually you would like to import, or click Select All and save. To view the customers you've imported, exit the Dispatch QuickBooks interface, go to the Maintain menu, and choose Customer, Shipper, Consignee, Broker Locations. Imported customers should always be reviewed in Prophesy for accuracy.